Tucked away in forest streams and quiet rivers is one of nature's most impressive engineers, the beaver. No blueprints, no heavy machinery, just powerful teeth and a pile of sticks. Using nothing but sticks, mud, and determination, this animal builds dams that can change landscapes and create thriving habitats. But why do beavers build dams in the first place? How does a rodent reshape rivers and even fight climate change? And what secrets are hidden inside their watery fortresses? In this video, we'll dive into the world of beavers to discover the fascinating science behind their dam-building instincts, how these natural engineers transform their habitats, and what we can learn from their powerful role in balancing nature's delicate systems. Beavers are nature's original engineers, found across North America and parts of Europe and Asia. There are two main species: the North American beaver, or Castor canadensis, and its slightly larger cousin, the Eurasian beaver, or castor fiber. Both are perfectly built for aquatic life, with webbed hind feet for powerful swimming, a flat paddle-shaped tail for steering and balance, and strong, ever-growing front teeth capable of gnawing through hardwood trees. But what truly sets them apart is their incredible ability to build dams, not for decoration, but as a key to their survival. Beavers face constant threats from predators like wolves, bears, coyotes, and even humans. So they build dams to slow down fast-moving streams, creating calm, deep ponds that become their safe zones. In the middle of these ponds, they construct dome-shaped lodges from sticks, mud, and plant matter. These cozy homes have hidden underwater entrances, making it nearly impossible for predators to reach them. Inside, beaver families stay warm, dry, and protected, with separate chambers for resting and storing food. This watery fortress also helps regulate the temperature and humidity inside, keeping them safe through harsh winters. So how does a chubby, buck-toothed rodent manage to build something as impressive as a dam and completely transform its surroundings in the process? It all starts with picking the perfect location. Beavers look for slow-moving streams or small rivers where the water flow is easier to manage. Once they've found the right spot, the real work begins. Beavers typically work at night, using both their powerful jaws and strong limbs to haul heavy logs, branches, and sticks back to the construction site. These logs are arranged in a crisscross pattern, forming a sturdy skeleton for the dam. Then they begin the waterproofing phase, plugging holes and sealing gaps using a mixture of mud, rocks, grass, and other natural debris. Beavers instinctively know how to build against the current, reinforcing the downstream side to keep the dam from collapsing under pressure. The end result is a solid, watertight wall that can stretch several feet long, sometimes even across entire valleys, slowing the flow of water and causing it to pool into a deep, calm pond. This pond becomes the perfect safe zone where beavers can build their cozy lodges, complete with underwater entrances that keep predators out. What's more fascinating about their dams is that it acts as a moat and food pantry all in one, giving beavers access to their favorite snacks, such as bark, twigs, and aquatic plants. What's truly fascinating is that beavers don't just build and leave. They routinely patrol their dams, patching leaks, adding new materials, and reinforcing weak spots to adapt to seasonal changes in water levels. This constant upkeep ensures that their aquatic fortresses remain strong and secure all year round, proving that these furry builders are as persistent as they are clever. Beavers are not just builders, they're also ecosystem architects, shaping environments that support an incredible array of life. When they dam a stream, the flowing water transforms into a wetland, one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. These beaver-made wetlands become thriving habitats for frogs, birds, fish, insects, and even moose. By simply doing what they do best, beavers create safe havens where animals of all sizes can find food, shelter, and protection. Their impact is so widespread that scientists consider them a keystone species, meaning their presence directly supports the survival of many others. But their contributions go beyond boosting biodiversity. Beaver dams also improve the health of entire landscapes. By slowing water flow, these structures help filter out pollutants, reduce erosion, and even act as natural fire breaks. The moist areas they create can slow the spread of wildfires, which is becoming increasingly important in a warming world. And sometimes, their work is so monumental, it leaves a mark you can see from space. In Canada's Wood Buffalo National Park lies the world's largest beaver dam, stretching a jaw-dropping 2,542 feet in length, nearly 3 times the height of the Empire State Building. Its perimeter spans over 6,500 feet, making it one of the biggest animal-built structures on Earth. That dam is so massive, it can be spotted from orbit, joining the ranks of only a few human-made landmarks like the Great Wall of China. It's a powerful reminder of just how significant and impressive these small but mighty engineers truly are. While beavers are incredible builders, their dams can sometimes cause friction with humans. As beavers flood roads, farms, or backyards, they unintentionally create conflicts with our infrastructure and land use. However, rather than seeing these animals as pests, scientists and wildlife managers are coming up with innovative solutions to work with them. One such solution is the use of beaver deceivers, special flow devices that allow water to flow freely through a dam without dismantling it. This helps to prevent flooding while still maintaining the beaver's natural habitat. In areas affected by drought or wildfires, beaver reintroduction projects are also being used to restore ecosystems by reviving wetlands and stabilizing water sources. Interestingly, beavers are making a comeback in places like the UK, where efforts to restore their populations are helping to re-establish these vital creatures in ecosystems that have been lacking their influence for centuries. This resurgence highlights how humans and beavers can work together to ensure both the protection of human interests and the preservation of these remarkable animals. By using creative solutions to coexist with beavers, we can harness their natural talents for ecosystem restoration and help balance the needs of both wildlife and people. The story of beavers, environment, and humans is one of coexistence and shared benefit. These buck-toothed builders aren't just engineers, they are problem solvers too, capable of healing damaged landscapes and bringing life back to forgotten places. By embracing their presence and learning to manage our interactions with care and creativity, we're not just protecting a species. We're partnering with a powerful force of nature. In working with beavers, we're reminded that sometimes the best engineers don't wear hard hats. They wear fur and paddle tails. Thanks for joining us on this wild journey into the world of nature's engineers. If you enjoyed exploring interesting stories with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. What topics do you want us to dive into next? Let us know in the comments. Join us as we get animated about science here at Animated Science.